Are you ready to guess some old school sounds? Guess with Sherry. Let's get straight to it. Here is the first old school sound out of 10. Sound number 1. What do you hear?
Oh, I think I've heard that before.
You heard someone tuning a radio dial. Sound number 2. What do you hear?
Oh, what's going on there? I think that's a robot farting.
No, a robot farting doesn't sound like that at all. You heard a DJ scratching a record like this. Sound number 3. What do you hear?
Oh, let me hear that one again. I think I'm too young to know that one.
You heard someone dialing on a rotary dial phone. Sound number 4. What do you hear?
Aha, my grandma had one of those.
You heard a stove-top kettle whistling away. Sound number 5. What do you hear?
Let me think. Oh!
You heard the music from the Pac-Man video game. We're halfway through. Don't forget to
like and subscribe, baby.
sound number 6. What do you hear?
Oh, I say, I don't know. Do you?
You heard a stylus needle on a vinyl record. Sound number 7. What do you hear?
Oh, I know. And those are still around.
You heard someone playing with a Rubik's Cube. Sound number 8. What do you hear?
A World War II tank?
A World War II tank? No. You heard the sound of a tape cassette rewinding or forwarding in a tape cassette player. Sound number 9. What do you hear?
Oh, someone blowing raspberries? How rude.
No, no one's blowing raspberries. This time you did hear the sound of a robot farting. Oh, sorry, you heard the sound of a human beatboxer. Sound number 10. What do you hear?
Oh, that one is not easy peasy lemon squeezy.
You heard a car window being manually wound up and down with a crank handle. We have a bonus for you. Try and guess this sound. Ow. I'll give you a clue. It was still around during my school days in the 1980s in the UK, and soon after it was abolished.
Oh, what could that be? It's not slavery, is it? No, it can't be that.
Ow. You heard the sound of corporal punishment, getting the cane. Ow. So, how did you do at guessing all of the old school sounds? Check the description if you want to know more information about the sounds that you heard. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.